Yes, Sakshi madam.
Yes. Sheila ji is
Sheila.
also looking
Yeah.
beautiful.
Namaste.
Namaste. Pranali.
That's what India is, very vibrant and full of colors, and you can, especially during festivals, you can just make it out.
Yes, yes, sir. Right.
Good. Yeah. So that is what we feel like. We might be divided with the boundaries. The corona might be dividing people with social distancing, but you cannot divide the hearts. The hearts are always together, connected. We are connected by yoga. And with this, taking our program ahead, now we start with the felicitation of the yoga protocol instructor. So that part will be taken by Kalyani ji. Please.
Yes, Kalyani madam.
Yes, namaste all of you. Happy Dashera all of you. So this is the felicitation. Yeah, this is the felicitation for yoga protocol instructor, which is the level 1 certified people. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So these are the beautiful memories of all our students. It's really like the COVID is making us miss all these kind of programs. But virtually, because of this development in the IT sector, we are able to at least meet virtually. Yeah, Kalyani ji.
Yeah. So yoga protocol instructor level 1. These are the names who are certified, successfully passed the exams. Pooja Taur, Dr. Preeti Shinde, Prajakta Karve, Sheila Gubbe, Pranali Mule, Ritu Sahu, Pratiksha Kiwde, Shilpa Sarade, Rekha Nair, Shweta Karbhor, Shalaka Walia, Anuradha Dhanarde, Aishwarya Chauhan, Suvarna Kulkarni, Vidhi Samath, and Shubhangi Selke.
We have another
Pranali
list.
Patre. Yeah. Pranali Patre, Sonia Sisodia, Nehal Kolhe, Pallavi Kolhe, Archana Yadav, Rachna Takarkar, Priya Joshi, Shweta Achwal, Savitri Kodate, Sapna Pedhekar, Kamini Bachao, Chitija Ghorpade, Mayura Morone, Jyoti Motwani, Vaishali Ivle, Veronica Leonard.
Congratulations, all of you.
Congratulations, all of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now we will move towards the yoga wellness instructor.
Yes, congratulations, all yoginis. Yes, congratulations, Alba Pota. Congratulations, Subhangi Kale. Congratulations, Meenakshi Koregaonkar. Congratulations, Dr. Swati Desai. Congratulations, Dr. Rohini Bharanpure. Congratulations, Dr. Surbhi Pathak. Congratulations, Roshni Rajani. Congratulations, Mansi Nimargi. Congratulations, Rashmi Ghadge. And success in exam and best wishes for your future.
Thank you, ma'am.
Specifically for level 2, I really want to appreciate Rashmi ji, Shubhangi ji, because it's like they have just proved that age is not any kind of bar, any restriction. You have Roshni Rajani ji, her daughter is pursuing her MBBS, and now she has completed her level 2. So it's a great pride and honor for Swasti to see that really people are taking their yoga practices ahead, their knowledge, they're constantly challenging themselves and expanding their horizons. So also congratulate Dr. Swati Desai, Dr. Rohini ji, and Dr. Surbhi Pathak. Surbhi ji was, you can say, kind of our first or the first few students with so many things. Her MD exam came in, and then she got married. So in spite of all these things happening, slowly and gradually, consistently, didn't leave the course. And finally, now she has completed. So great. Congratulations, all of you. Yeah. So now I would like to invite all our students who feel they would like to speak, especially Shweta, Anchalji, there.
Yeah, she's.
Yeah. So would you like to express
I'm
yourself?
there, sir.
Yeah, please, please.
Okay, so should I start?
Yeah, yeah, please, please. We are waiting for you.
Okay. So namaste everyone. My name is Shweta. I joined Swasti Yoga Center for my level 1 certification. Like it was an opening of a whole new world for me. Like the information that we as a normal people have is much limited than what I came to I came across after joining Swasti Yoga Center. So there was a considerable transformation in my personality, in my behavior, like everything in the entire lifestyle, everything. So I would like to thank Swasti Yoga Center for that. They have put a lot of efforts in my success as well. My major share of thanks will go to Hina ma'am, who has put her maximum efforts in my success. Also, Vikas sir, Kalyani ma'am, Shweta ma'am, everybody, all the teachers. So they have made sure that each of the students is taken care of, all their queries and all that stuff. So I like the important thing that I felt was they are giving you all the required tools and all that stuff, like multiple revisions and all that, mock tests, homeworks. Also, Vikas sir makes sure that mock tests are not just mock tests, but those are also a different kind of learning thing. So that is another different experience for me. So thank you so much, Vikas sir, for that. And all of the Swasti Yoga Center teachers. Thank you so much. Because of you, I could succeed in this level 1 examination. Thank you so much.
I would just like to take a little bit of time because what I have been experiencing, I would just like to put up in a small story. I think stories help me to convey my message. So once upon a time, what happens is there is a person who has a business of silkworms, taking out the silk from the silkworm. And what happens is, all the cycle now, how the worm is getting into the cocoon, then it breaks the cocoon and the butterfly comes out of it. Now, in this particular process, the person just was one day observing that the baby butterfly is trying to break the cocoon. And so what he did is he tried to open up the cocoon for the baby butterfly. But after he opened the cocoon, what he found that the butterfly has been born prematurely, and now the butterfly is not able to fly on its own. So he felt very upset that he actually wanted to help the butterfly come out, but he has made the butterfly handicapped forever. So sometimes that is what Kalyani ji, Hina ji, all our associate teachers, madam, most of the time we might be harsh for some of your students. You might be feeling that teachers are very harsh, rigid, okay? And we have paid the fees. We were not being told that these are the difficult things that we have to face, challenges that we have to face. You might face this kind of uncomfortable situations. But we always feel that we don't want you to fail in life. It's fine if you have to suffer some kind of uncomfortable situation, struggle through your course. We are happy with it. We do not regret it. Because we don't want to be like that person who later had to regret that though his intentions were good, the butterfly had to suffer. So if at any point of time, if it would have been that because of our strictness or our pressure, you might have felt uncomfortable, then I apologize on behalf of all the faculty, but it is for your greater good. and the intentions were always good and right. Yeah. So thank you. I will now invite other student, Savitri ji. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. बताइए आपके बारे में.
नमस्ते सर, नमस्ते श्वेता मैम. हाँ, सबको मेरी तरफ से हार्दिक शुभेच्छा दसरा की. और मेरे नाम है सावित्री कोटे. मैं सावित्री कोटे, लेवल 1 पास स्टूडेंट हूँ. और मैं कल्याणी मैडम और हीना मैडम को नमस्ते कहती हूँ. उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ाई करवाया मुझे और इतना एक्सप्लेन करके करवाते थे वो लोग. फिर श्वेता मैडम ने भी एग्जाम के टाइमिंग ये बहुत हेल्प किया. और हर रोज विकास सर सुबह मॉर्निंग क्लास लेते हैं, उसकी वजह से हमारा बहुत इम्प्रूवमेंट हुआ. अलग अलग आसन लेते हैं और बंदाज कुंभक इसके बारे में और मुद्राज के बारे में बताते हैं. और धोती के बारे में हमें पता नहीं था, उसके बारे में भी हमने सीखा. और सुबह के मॉर्निंग के सेशन की वजह से हमने बहुत सारे आसनास और बंदाज मुद्राज के बारे में नॉलेज मिला हमें. और कल्याणी मैडम और हीना मैडम ने भी बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ाई करवाया हमसे. और स्टोरी और कुछ एग्जाम्पल देके हमें पढ़ाते थे और बहुत अच्छा लगा. मैं स्वस्ति के अंदर ज्वाइन करके मुझे बहुत खुशी मिली. और थोड़े मैं तो गई थी, वो मेरे डॉक्टर ने सजेशन किया था थोड़ा आप प्रोफेशनल योगा के गुरु के पास जाइए, उससे कुछ योगा सीखिए, आपका ब्लड प्रेशर नॉर्मल रहेगा. फिर मैंने स्वास्थ्य सेंटर ज्वाइन किया. फिर उसके बाद मेरा हेल्थ में भी सुधार आया. अब हमने जो योगा में जो पढ़ा सीखा और वो फॉलो कर रही हूँ मैं. और मेरे बच्चे ने मुझे सपोर्ट दिया ये आगे बढ़ने के लिए. मैं तो सिर्फ फैमिली तक ही सीमित थी. फिर बच्चे मेरे बेटा और बेटी और बहू ने भी सपोर्ट किया मुझे बहुत. और इसकी वजह से मैं स्वस्थ योगा सेंटर ज्वाइन की और बहुत अच्छे से सपोर्ट दिया सभी टीचर्स ने. और विकास सर, श्वेता मैडम और कल्याणी मैडम, हीना मैडम को मैं धन्यवाद करती हूँ. थैंक यू.
Thank you, Savitri ji. Thank you.
Yes, thank you very much. So recently Savitri ji has started her own yoga. You can say she is conducting professionally yoga sessions also. So we give her best wishes and congratulations for your new venture journey. Thank you. Pranali ji, are you there?
Yes, she is there.
Yes, Pranali ji. Yeah.
Hi, good evening, everyone. So it feels very good to be here and get our name listed down as a person who has passed the level 1 exam. My goodness, what preparation we had to do for that exam. And thanks to everybody at Swasti, Vikas, Shwetamri ma'am, Hina ma'am, Kalyani ma'am, especially Kalyani ma'am, because her notes were very detailed and they were very helpful for us to prepare for our theory exam. And we had a lot of challenges because of this COVID suddenly cropping up and the sessions were cancelled, and I know everybody was like, what to do now? But fortunately for us, Swasti came up with all these online classes and revisions, and especially the mock, and I would say the morning sessions. I used to not attend them in the beginning, and then Kalyani ma'am, Hina ma'am, and everybody like creating a schedule. This person has to take it, and we're like, ma'am, क्यों लेना है अभी? But that is like Vikas sir mentioned, right? It's for the butterfly to open its wing and to its own potential. And then I attended, and one session I took, and like, नहीं अभी तो तैयार है ही नहीं बिल्कुल. We are not ready at all to take any classes. We have so much to learn. The morning sessions have prepared us for practicals like very good. So I would suggest don't miss the morning classes. I have not been attending due to some personal issues, but I plan to attend them. But they were really good. The mock tests were like eye openers, like what we have prepared and what we need to prepare more. You will find a lot of material on the internet and all, but there needs to be a focus, a holistic approach, I think, which is what given in here at Swasti. And it's not just about the exam, right? There are a lot of in between lessons of life that are being taught during the morning sessions or even the theory sessions. So it's not about just clearing the level 1. It's a change in your life and the way you see life, the way you see yoga. And I'm so glad and I'm very happy that I am part of an institution which is taking this yoga to a global level. And because humanity right now, I feel, needs moderation in everything. And I think yoga is like the epitome of moderation, how to be moderate in everything what you're doing. So I hope that I would, try to do my best to fall into, to do justice, to be a part of Swasti and inculcate and spread this knowledge. And thank you once again for everyone and even my batchmates. So we had been in touch with offline also. So Mayura and Suvarna, we used to collaborate. Ki abhi kya karna hai, iska kya padhna hai. So that used to really help to keep us motivated and encouraged to nahi, we will do it. Don't worry, let's do it. Do it. So thanks for all the encouragement, the motivation, the help, the focusing, and being strict at times, and all the invaluable lessons that you have given in all the sessions which we have attended. There were numerous revision lessons, so you will not feel that you have been left anywhere in between the road to handle it yourself. So thank you everyone, and I hope I get to continue this with Swasti more. Thank you.
Yes, thank you, Pranali.
Yes. Absolutely. And along with Pranali ji, I would like to make this appeal to all our students that the COVID is an eye opener for the whole global community. We all need to join hands together, forgetting about our differences. It is not important how you look, what you look, from which country you are, and all our status and other things. It's very important that for the larger cause, we all come together, forgetting our differences, because that is what yoga teaches us, to come together and to have a greater vision for humanity. So moving ahead, we will just encourage Suvarna ji, if you're there, please kindly share your views.
Namaste sir, namaste ma'am. A very good evening to all. Namaste all, and wish you a very happy Dashera. Yes, my name is Suvarna Kulkarni. I joined Swasti in January 2020, and throughout it was a wonderful experience. It definitely opened up the new world and completely world of knowledge and gate towards the inner journey, I say. Every person of the Swasti, that every teacher, Kalyani ma'am, then Hina ma'am, Mihika ma'am, Himisha ma'am, we started with Mihika ma'am, Himisha ma'am, then Shweta ma'am, Vikas sir, all are motivating and inspiring, and definitely they are doing a wonderful job. I would like to mention, sir, that morning sessions, it was a wonderful, and it helped us a lot actually, and the mock exams. So every question in mock exam make us to think about that concept, and again we ऐसा feel होता था कि अरे ये तो पता ही नहीं है. हर बार जब भी आप पूछते थे पढ़ा था बट क्या है exactly पता ही नहीं है. Then again मतलब उस पे मनन start हुआ, and then realize कि नहीं, this is मतलब बहुत vast है ये सब. And of course yoga is beyond the physical postures. It is not about the asanas only. So I enjoyed my learning and experience in Swasti. I would like to specially thank Kalyani ma'am. I enjoyed her sessions, and small queries को मैंने उनको बहुत सताया है. मैंने बहुत call किया है उनको. Every mock के बाद मैं I used to call her and I used to से कि मुझे ये नहीं आया, मुझे ये नहीं आया, ये भी नहीं पता, वो भी नहीं पता है. But then yes, so thank you, sir, ma'am, for creating this platform and for giving us the confidence to express ourselves and promoting us. Again, sir has guided ki do not keep it to yourself. Try to spread this knowledge to your family, to your friends, and to community. And this makes a life better, no doubt. It has changed my life. So now I'm trying to help my family and my friends also. So and all my colleagues, I would like to thank all my colleagues for morning sessions. Savitri ji, Pranali ji, then Shubhangi ji, everybody. Thank you all. I wish all the best to the future individual. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, Suvarna ji.
Thank you, Suvarna ji.
Now we invite Shalaka ji to present her thoughts.
Shalaka ji.
Anji ma'am, namaste. Namaste everyone and happy Dashera to all of you. First, I will like to start to, thanking Almighty to putting me onto this path of yoga through really, really great institute, Swasti Yoga Center of Vikas sir, I must say, because he is a great source of knowledge. And following with Hina ma'am, I can say Atha Yoganushasana starts from her for me because she was my first teacher. Thank you so much, Hina ma'am, for being there always. I was too critical student, asking a lot of questions, but she was very patient with me. And following with Kalyani ma'am, a great source of knowledge and encouragement. I can say I could give this level 1 so quickly because of her encouragement. And again, Bhagyashree ma'am, for a very little while, but really tremendous knowledge she has got. Mayura ma'am, good with the asanas, and Shweta ma'am, for all the support you have always been given. And the visits to the Ayurvedic college was really, really memorable for me. I really feel blessed, knowingly or unknowingly, I came on this yogic lifestyle. Rather, I can say not a lifestyle, it's a life-changing lifestyle, which has really changed my perspective towards the life very much differently. And I must say, things were very different before, and now I am a different personality by itself. Now I'm into a business with a lot of people coming across with lot of different thoughts, ideas. Now I can tackle them. Now I know how to be with different kind of people with the presence of mind and calmness of mind. That is what I think so yoga teaches us. I feel after finishing level 1, this is just a start. I feel the journey has now started for us. I think so, implementing this knowledge is more important than maybe passing the level 1. This is a step which I think so now we have to go take it much ahead by spreading this knowledge. This is really beautiful and at the same time very, very much essential in nowadays lifestyle. And I feel it is our duty towards the society to put this knowledge ahead of now level 1 is just, I think so, it started for me, and I will do my level best to put this knowledge into start from my family, and maybe as much as people I can come across, I will really, really like to share my knowledge with them, which I've got it from Swasti. I will like to share my experience. Like I did not join Swasti to become an instructor, honestly, very honestly. I just wanted to know yoga much better, in a better manner, as I felt yoga is really a way of life which everybody needs to adapt. And I will I will not regret. I will rather feel I'm blessed. And I was fortunate enough to come across this path of yoga, this yogic principles I will really like to inculcate in my life and through my children's and my family. And I think so everybody should take this as our duty as a yoga instructor to, put this knowledge and this principle to, to society. And I will really like to thank everyone from Swasti Yoga Center, starting from Vikas sir, Hina ma'am, Kalyani ma'am, and yes, Dipali ma'am, a lot. She should not be missed. All coordinators and my colleagues, Dhanashri, Shivani, Shivangi, Savitri ji, lot many. I am not remembering the names now, but we have got really good friends thanks to Swasti Yoga Center. I will like to thank everyone. Thank you, Vikas sir, for taking this good institute in a global way. And we will really like to be connected with Swasti for all along of life journey. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Vikas sir and Shweta ma'am.
Thank you very much, Salaka ji. So, taking the journey ahead, we will encourage Mayura ji to express her words.
Hello, everybody. Namaste. Namaste, Vikas sir. Namaste, Shwetamri ma'am. So, first of all, I would like to thank Vikas sir, Shwetamri ma'am, and Kalyani ma'am for guiding us so well, especially Kalyani ma'am, because I remember we joined Sun Grace Yoga and in the month of in the month of January. And from there, we had a couple of breaks due to COVID, and then the classes again resumed online. Kalyani ma'am made it very, very sure that each and every point was noted very carefully. She taught us every point in, pretty much detail. All the practicals were taken very, very carefully with exertion on each and every posture also perfectly. So I would like to thank Kalyani ma'am from the bottom of my heart, because initially I was too skeptical about even giving the exam during this time, because I was not very sure if I was ready to give the exam, but she encouraged me that you should go ahead and give the exam. And because of her, I was able to prepare myself well. I would also like to thank one of my colleagues, Pranali. She was there, as in we exchanged notes. We spoke, for hours on phone discussing our doubts. So that was one very helpful thing. Next, also, I would like to thank Vikas sir for the morning sessions, because of which I remember I had to take one morning session where sir had asked me 2 questions, and the same questions had come during my Viva practical exam also. So I was very happy that during the mock exams I could actually the queries got resolved during the morning session, so I could answer those during the Viva exam. And yoga for me has been an integral part of my life since a couple of years. I have been practicing yoga, but I wanted to know yoga holistically. So this was my main reason of joining Swasti Yoga and Sun Grace Yoga. And I am very glad to say that the reason why I joined Swasti Yoga, that very reason has been fulfilled. I have known I came to know yoga from scratch. So theoretically also, the importance of food, the importance of mitahar, so to say. And since the day I learned about mitahar, I have been giving equal importance to what food should I consume and how well should my diet be. So thank you so much for that. And with saying all this, I plan to continue pursuing yoga to a higher level and learning yoga in a very deeper and in a holistic way. So thank you so much, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Now we would like to invite Mansi ji, if she is there. Are you there? Okay. Any of our international students, maybe, if they would like to share, express. Olympia or anyone? Paula is also there.
Sir.
Yes. Shubhangi ji, yes.
Sir Shubhangi, yes, I want to share my experience.
Yeah, please go ahead.
First of all, happy Dussehra to all, and very thankful to Shweta ma'am and Vikas sir, because this opportunity is given because of you. And I'm very happy to say that the teachers like Kalyani ma'am continue talking about the मतलब syllabus जो है वो continue बोलती रहती है. मतलब इनका knowledge देख के ऐसा लगता था कि अरे ये कितना नॉलेज है इनके पास. मतलब टीचर्स ऐसे है कि उनके पास इतना नॉलेज है कि वो देते देते थकते नहीं थे. 3 घंटे भी वो बोलती ही रहती थी. तो मतलब वो बहुत अच्छा था. और मैं ज्यादा टॉकेटिव नहीं हूँ. मतलब मेरा ज्यादा किसी के साथ ऐसा वर्ड टू वर्ड कॉन्वर्सेशन नहीं हुआ है. लेकिन जो भी एक्सपीरियंस मिला वो बहुत अच्छा था. और स्पेशली मैं स्वप्ना मैम का बोलना चाहूंगी, क्योंकि मेरी प्रैक्टिकल जो भी इम्प्रूवमेंट हुआ है, क्योंकि मैंने कभी भी पहले योगा नहीं किया था, लेकिन स्वस्ति में मैम ने जो 2 मंथ में मुझे सिखाया उसके बेसिस पे और जो लेवल 1 में पढ़ा उसके बेसिस पे जो आज मैं हूँ वो हूँ. और वो मतलब वो कॉन्फिडेंस भी स्वस्ति से ही मिला है मुझे. तो मुझे ये बोलना था कि मतलब सबको थैंक यू बोलना था. हिना मैम, कल्याणी मैम, also Rama ma'am was there, and Swapna ma'am, because they helped me a lot. So I will thankful all of them. And also I want to share some tips for the those who are appearing for the next examination. तो मुझे थोड़ा मतलब मैं भी स्ट्रेस में गई थी कि अभी कैसे करेंगे, क्योंकि सर ने एक बार मुझे डांटा था. तो मैं टेंशन में चली गई थी कि क्या मतलब सर ने डांटा, अभी मुझे टेंशन आने लगा. और फाइनल एग्जाम में थोड़ा नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम की वजह से तो मैं ऐसे टेंशन में चली गई. तो मुझे सर के वर्ड याद आ गए कि अगर योगा सीखना है तो थेरोटिकली मत सीखो, जो भी सीखना है वो प्रैक्टिकली. अगर योगा आप लाइफ में अप्लाई नहीं कर सकते तो उसका सीखने का कोई मतलब नहीं. तो मैं टेंशन में थी, मुझे वही वर्ड्स याद आ रहे थे. और जब मेरा वो एग्जामिनेशन स्टार्ट हुआ तो मैंने वो ध्यान में रखा कि अभी कुछ भी करके वो मतलब टेंशन नहीं लेना है, योगा का एक थीम याद रखना है जो सर ने बोला है. तो मैंने वो एग्जाम दिया. तो उसके बाद में भी मुझे डर लग रहा था. मैंने मैम को बोला कि सर को पूछो, सर डांटेंगे मुझे कि क्या आपने कैसे मतलब एग्जाम में ऐसे कैसे हो गया. तो मुझे वो टेंशन आ गया था, लेकिन बाद में अच्छा लगा, स्कोर भी अच्छा आ गया. तो मैं वही सर को थैंक यू बोलना चाहूंगी कि मतलब उन्होंने अच्छे से प्रिपेयर भी किया था. स्टार्टिंग में जो 15 दिन आपने पहले लिया था मॉर्निंग सेशन, उससे बहुत हेल्प मिली. और सबको थैंक यू जो मेरे कलीग्स थे, स्पेशली श्वेता, कुंजल वगैरह, उन्होंने बहुत सपोर्ट किया मुझे, प्रीति जी. तो उनके हेल्प से ही मतलब अभी जो मार्क्स मिले वो उनके हेल्प से ही मिले. तो सबको थैंक यू.
Thank you very much, Shubhangi ji. It was really wonderful to hear your experiences, and we'll just take our journey a little ahead with all this beautiful, yeah. So,
सर मुझे थैंक यू कहना है स्वप्ना मैडम, भाग्यश्री मैडम और संगीता मैडम को भी, और जो पाटिल ज्योति भी, उन्होंने भी मुझे बहुत सपोर्ट किया, उनको भी धन्यवाद मेरी तरफ से. और अनुराधा और वैशाली येवले और इनको भी थैंक यू. मैंने उनके साथ भी पढ़ी. और खासकर कल्याणी मैडम को थैंक यू. मैंने उनको भी उन्होंने मुझे सपोर्ट, उस टाइम एग्जाम नहीं दे रही थी, मैं तैयार नहीं थी उस टाइम. उन्होंने बोला दे दो सब ऐसे ही हो जाता है, और धैर्य से दे दो, ऐसे सपोर्ट दिया उन्होंने, हेल्प किया. हिना मैडम ने और कल्याणी मैडम ने सपोर्ट किया. उस टाइम मैंने ये एग्जाम पार किया. और सभी मेरे फ्रेंड्स को भी थैंक यू मेरे तरफ से, और सपना मैडम और संगीता मैडम को.
Yes, thank you Savitri ji very much. Okay, so I'm just trying to show you some of the slides which are the social media accounts of Swasti Yoga. So even after passing your courses, you can just be updated of all the activities which are happening on Swasti. You can also post whatever yoga activities you are doing. You can just post and tag Swasti Yoga Center so that we can also be in touch. We will be able to understand what are the activities that you are doing, and we will also be connected with this. You can also visit our YouTube channel. You can visit our website. You can just accordingly ask other students and motivate them to join yoga and other related courses also. So with this, we will end with today's session with a small video of Swasti with the memories that we have cherished together at the same point of time last year.
Namaste. I'm Dr. Vikas Sothe, yoga practice. So I will invite all the audience who are yoga enthusiasts and want to make a career in yoga to please join and come so that we can help you out excel your career. Thank you. Namaste.
So coming to the end of the session, we will all chant the Shanti mantra and make a wonderful end so that we can meet again, holding your palms, your back completely straight, eyes closed. We can all chant the Shanti mantra together. And gently rubbing your palms. Take your warm palms on your eyes. Observe the warmth. Slowly and gently open your eyes in darkness. Slowly moving towards the light of knowledge. Namaste. Thank you. Shubharatri. Happy Dasera. Bye-bye, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Good
you.
night.
Thank you,
Bye-bye.
sir.
Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.